Object-oriented programming (OOP) is a programming paradigm that started in the 1960s with languages like Simula and Smalltalk. It uses objects as the primary unit of computation, allowing for type system extensions. OOP enables both static languages like C++, where types are known at compile time, and dynamic languages like Python, where types can be manipulated at runtime. Objects exist in memory at runtime, similar to primitive types like integers and floats. For instance, 4 bytes may represent an integer while 8 bytes hold a floating point number. In C, structs create composite types. OOP languages extend this by linking behavior to data using methods. An object encapsulates state and behavior. The state represents its properties, while behavior defines responses to method calls. Objects are instances of classes which define their structure and interactions. A class defines the memory structure of objects and dictates how they interact. For example, a vector2D class defines member variables, such as position in x and y coordinates. All class instances allocate memory for these variables and can access methods that manipulate their state. Managing an object's lifetime involves several key stages: allocation, which reserves memory; initialization to set the state; usage for interaction; and cleanup before deletion. It's crucial that memory is freed, ensuring the object ceases to exist properly. Memory allocation can be static or stack-based. For example, in a stack allocation like void fooint param1, int param2, memory is automatically managed but limited. Static allocation is more persistent, but may require predefined memory limits.